So folks, on Mondays we travel across the world to meet Jamaicans who are making their mark in different fields. This morning we stop over in New Jersey to meet a couple whose cheesecake business is creating a buzz. Well, you know, me related to everybody who have money and live a foreign. So there is my sister and my brother. I see them there when I look alike. Trisha and Johnny Baldwin, co-owners of Johnny Baldwin's Cheesecake. Morning, welcome to you both. Well, go on.
Morning, good. All is well?
Can't complain, man. Give thanks. Trisha, you good?
Well, good. I'm good. Good to be here. Good morning.
Fantastic to have you. Bring me up to date. Where were you in Jamaica when you leave? Why you leave? Where you go when you leave? Let me start with you, Trish. Bring me up to date.
Well, I came here when I was 11. I think that was back in 1984. Lived in Waterford. Went to Waterford Primary. I just passed my common entrance and I migrated here, so I didn't get to experience all that loveliness down there. But so I go.
Yeah, Johnny, what about you?
Johnny is at Kingston 20 man, Duane Park. Went to Duane Park Primary, went to Jamaica College, and yes, Neville, did Colts and did Manning.
Yeah, man, I don't know why you're going to bring that up. I'm having a good time. I don't know why you bring that up for you.
I know we have something to you.
No, man, it's a great school, fervent in campus, right? Work is burning in the fields. Yeah, I know all these things. All right, so Johnny, let me stay with you. Where does cheesecake thing start, though?
This cheesecake thing actually started from my wife, Trisha. And I kind of just jumped in and helped her one day. And what was her hobby became a passion of mine instantly.
Yeah. So, Trish, did you start with cakes or did you start with cheesecake? How did it go?
It was one cheesecake, a rum and raisin that was done during this time of the year, actually, Thanksgiving, Christmas. So it was a rum raisin cheesecake made out of a Keebler crust, nothing fancy like Johnny's. And the rest was history from there, as you can only imagine.
Yeah, but so what? You would love baking? You were a baker? Did something just come up one day and say, you know, so I'm going to start baking?
You know what's interesting? I love to cook. I'm not a baker. I love to cook. I have a thing for cooking. And it's just have that natural thing to cook and bake. So for me, creating a rum raisin cheesecake then was a good thing until Johnny took it over and showed me a new way. But you know, so it goes. But I love in the kitchen. I love cooking. Even on my business page right now on Instagram, I share a lot about cooking and juicing and all that stuff.
But how did you know, and a serious question, how did you know that, no, this can sell, people can like this? So, you know, what did you do to find out, so no man, this can work? How did you know that?
Well, from making it and having the family try it, everybody was like, you know, I don't really like cheesecake, you know, but this rum and raisin is a hit, man. So I took it to my job one day and just served it amongst my peers, and they fell in love with it. So, you know, the amount of persons that worked at my place of employment at that time, one year we did about 200 to 300 pieces. And it was just a hit. The little slice that they were getting was not cutting it. They want their own pie.
Oh, fantastic.
Yes.
Right. Johnny, I'm reading here that it says Johnny's cheesecakes with the flavors of Jamaica. What that mean and what kind of flavors we're talking about here?
We're talking about with sorrel. We're talking about with Blue Mountain coffee. We're talking about one of the best lager in the world, Red Stripe beer. Yes. We're talking about Trelawney yellow yam with a coconut topping. We're talking about even a landmark cheesecake from a pistachio that we call the Green Grotto Green Grotto pistachio cheesecake.
Yeah.
So, endless.
So let me stay with you, Johnny. So again, same kind of question I asked Trisha. How did you know that these flavors would work, and you know, what kind of taste test you did for people say, yeah man, I like this one, maybe I don't like that one. Was this like a trial and error thing, or you just get it right from day one?
No, let's just put it like this. It was a gift. It was a divine gift. And the gift was, and the message was, follow my lead. Follow my lead and I'll take you places, I'll bring you people, and I'll even bring you recipes. Yeah. So that was the message. And the calling was coming and I hung up the phone on him enough time and said, I'm not taking this because this is not me. I don't even know how to bake.
You went to bake.
I never went to any bake school, never.
Yeah.
And I decided one day, okay, I'm going to follow the lead. And everything just kind of fall into place one by one.
Yeah.
One by one. Be patient and follow his lead.
Yeah, I don't want to use the word strange in any strange way, but what was the first one you did that probably would be out of the norm? Because you say yam and you say all kind of things. So what was the first one that you tried? You can remember?
The first one that I tried that was out of norm
Yeah.
was, I think was the yellow yam. That was the first one was out of norm. The interesting one really, the balancing, pouring a red stripe beer in a cheesecake batter. You have to have, I think, to balance that because it's going to be watery.
Yeah.
So that was interesting how to get the balance in that one.
So everybody never get drunk after them eat that one, yeah, them couldn't, and them couldn't figure out his what.
Well, if you get a complaint from an authentic Jamaican rum and raisin cheesecake, say, the taste the rum. It's something wrong.
Is there a favorite of all of those? Is there, Trish, is there one that everybody like more than another one?
That's very hard. It's very hard. You know, it all depends on their palate, you know? All depends on the palate. But one of our biggest seller continues to be our rum raisin and our sorrel with blackie. Yeah.
John, if you had to pick one, if I said, Johnny, tell me what is the best one, which one you would pick?
I am a big fan of my pistachio cheesecake. There's 5 of them that's going head on head, but my pistachio cheesecake is one of my favorite. Yeah.
Who are your customers? Who you sell to? Jamaicans, Americans, everybody? Who you sell to?
We sell to, this cheesecake is for everybody. It's not for Jamaicans, it's for everybody. Everybody.
Our vegan community.
Yes, we do a vegan line also.
Yeah.
So it's everybody.
Trish, is this now a full-time thing or you still have a 9 to 5 and you help out the husband?
I'll keep that short. I lost my job of 18 years, but it's a new path I'm on and I'm enjoying it because the message for Johnny where he says, follow the lead, where he leads, I shall follow. So I'm following suit and enjoying the moment with them as well. It's a beautiful journey.
Fantastic. I don't know if I should say I'm sorry you lost your job because maybe this is what should happen for you guys. So I don't.
I'm okay with it, 100%.
Fantastic. But just before you go, you're coming up with anything new? Anything new, or are the flavors that you have now, that's it? Or you soon come up with one named Neville or something? So,
we have a brownstone double chocolate cheesecake that we just kind of released. And that's not even released in the Jamaica. It's in the Italian. It's in an Italian restaurant, actually, in Little Italy, in Soho.
Oh, fantastic. Now, listen, man, I am so impressed. I am so impressed with you guys. Congratulations. You both just continue to do what you're doing. It's amazing what you're doing, and God bless you both. Anybody you want to say hi to in Jamaica before you go?
Hi to my sister and nephews.
Yes, the Williams family, John Williams. Yes.
Yeah. Trish, said you left here a long time ago. You come home regularly or no?
Almost every year I'm on the Jamrock, believe me or not, I'm looking to get down there soon.
So Trish, you still live in Jamaica, you're not going like you're foreigner, so I'm told, man.
Listen, man, Jamaica will always be home for us.
All the time.
All the time. You know, we're here traveling to another land, but Jamaica is where the heart is forever. Yeah, man, no matter what I go on.
Fantastic to see you both. God bless the family. Have a great holiday season and send a cheesecake.
Happy holidays to everybody. Blessings.
And send the cheesecake when you're Neville to I and I. Don't forget. No, blessings and love. Look after yourselves.
Yes, man.
Yes, cheers. Man. Yeah, man. Trisha and Johnny Baldwin, co-owners of Johnny Baldwin's Cheesecake. Oh, I love that. I really love that.